first one. I deserve it all.
What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title what we doing. I will be attempting to do a rubberband hairstyle in my hair, of course, because I don't do that because them rubber bands be hurting, but we're gonna do it today. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to go follow all my social medias in the description down below as well. So we just gonna get right into this video, and we ain't gonna waste no time, and that's just on period. First, before I do anything, I'm gonna straighten my hair because I'm a little timid and I'm not gonna be sitting here crying on the video. So we just gonna do that right now. Let's just get right into it. That's just on period. Always rate 1 through 10, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I don't really do hate flat iron my hair, but I have to because we gonna flat iron it all the way. We good. Anyways, let's just speed this up, and that's just on period. Okay, now that I'm done straightening my hair somewhat, because I don't like doing the roots, it be burning and they get hot, so this is what we're dealing with. So right now, I'm just gonna part it. What I'm gonna go with is like a bang, but with rubber bands on the side. But right now, let me think. Hold on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is a bang, but with rubber bands design on the side right here. So that's what we're doing today, but it's gonna be a high ponytail. So we just gonna have to figure this out right now and just get right into it, because I'm gonna do the rubber bands first and then come back like a part like this with a bang, and then the rubber bands right here, and then it's gonna be a high ponytail. So we just gonna get right into it. We ain't gonna waste no time, so I'm gonna just speed this up when I'm doing the rubber bands and come back. That's what I'm doing. And I'm also leaving my edges out, so at least I can do my edges. So if you're doing this hairstyle, make sure you leave your edges out, because yeah, I probably do be looking like that, but we just gonna get right into it, period. Okay, I forgot, I'm gonna put oil in my hair and grease as well, because I don't like rubber bands in my hair, and I'm trying to make it as comfortable as much for me. So we're just gonna get right into it. Sorry for the noise in the background, that's the freaking air conditioning. I'm talking fast because I'm trying to get this over with, period. So we just gonna get right into it. Okay, you guys, I done section off the part that I'm leaving out to swoop. Then I'm gonna section another part right here with the rubber bands, and I'm just push all this hair that's left into a ponytail up high like that. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just letting you guys know. So yeah, when I do the rubber bands, I'm actually coming back so I can show you guys. But yeah, we just gonna get right into it. Now I'm gonna do the high ponytail right now. Then I'm gonna do the rubber bands, but I'm just showing you guys. Yeah. So all I'm using is olive oil. Can you see? This is what I'm using, olive oil spray or whatever. It's like spritz, but olive oil kind. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this ponytail. Okay. That's what it is. I'm pretty sure I got it right, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just putting it in the ponytail right now so I can get it slick and stuff in the back. See how it is right now. Okay. Can blow dry a little bit. out so I can get it all pushed up. What you guys think? Should I just leave it in a ponytail with my regular hair or just add the weave that I was gonna do? My hair is so uneven, but so I'm gonna start working on trying to make sure it's not fit. Okay. I'm trying to get it exactly in the middle, but okay, there you go. It feels right, so yeah. I have to get some little tiny. So now I'm going to start on the rubber bands. Gotta redo the part. My arms are getting tired. Okay. Something right here. Too much. Just enough. Ow. I added 2 rubber bands, y'all. That's 1. They pop me in my mouth. Okay. I'm not gonna do the ones in the front yet because that's how I'm gonna do the edges. So I'm gonna do a temporary one right here, rubber band, so I can be able to do the edges. So I'm gonna finish doing the rubber bands on this side and come back. I'm actually gonna come back when I do my edits. But yeah, just stay tuned, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out that description button because that is where my social media is at. And that's just on period. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges right now so I can be able to do these rubber bands in the front. But yeah, just stay tuned. I said that now. But that's not how we're gonna do our edges though. You just slipping that part back. Just like that. A little too much on here. Scoop it in there. I hope you guys enjoying y'all day today. And don't forget to rate my hairstyle at the end of the video 1 through 10. I know I already said it, but just do it anyway. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check that description button because I do have my social medias there as well. Boom. There's one of the edges. Now we're going to finish the rest. across all over towards the ponytail. Easy. Period. And then I'm gonna just add it to the ponytail like that. Period. So I'm going ahead and finish that. And when I'm done, I'm actually going to start on the bang part. All I'm doing is adding the spritz and forming it. So I'm not going to really record for real on that part. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. So that's just going to be about and add the hair. That's if I feel like adding it or not. But yeah, that's what we do. So I'm gonna come right back. You already see the little cross. And they're gonna like the ponytail. So now for the start on this part here.
Okay, first of all, my hair is uneven. It just keep messing with me.
Okay. It's gonna go like this. Something like that. So comment down below if you guys think I should add the hair or not. And I'm gonna show you guys the difference when I add the hair and without the hair, but I'm still gonna add the hair. I just want to know y'all opinion, so comment down below which one you think I look better with, regular hair or with weave in it. So we're gonna see that in a minute. Just stay tuned and let me go ahead and finish what I'm doing. That's just on period. Get into it. Hey you guys, I'm going to actually explain this to you. I'm actually taking sections. I'm going to flat iron it and then I'm just going to swoop it into the ponytail. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't want to really get into detail because it's nothing to get into detail with. That's what I'm going to do right back and show you guys the difference between me using my regular hair and adding weave. So that's just that. So yeah, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out that description button because that's where all my social media is at. Go ahead and follow my social medias. You might be missing out. Period. Comment down below. Swoop. Go flat down, swoop, and then okay you guys, I'm finished with the bang. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is the Rubberband method with the crossover. And then this is the bang. And I'm going to do the ponytail right now. So tell me what you guys think about the regular ponytail. So I'm just going to do this in a bun or something. I don't know. How you think, you guys? What you guys think? Bun. And now I'm gonna add the hair to show you guys how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna start braiding this down. So this is the natural look. And now I'm gonna add the hair. I'm just gonna braid this down and then come back and add the hair, and that's just on period. So just stay tuned and just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and check out the description button because that's where my social media is at, and that's just on period. Let's get into it. So what I wanted to do, I had made crochet curls, and I'm just going to add it to a rubber band and then insert it in my hair. So yeah, different kinds of brown, and I'm going to add a little just stay tuned to that. Period. When I'm done, I'm going to come back and talk to you guys and show you guys the finished product. And don't forget to comment 1 through 10 how you guys think I did on this video. Period. You already know. Boom. With a little ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's get it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Go ahead and check that description button because my social medias is down there. So yeah, so you guys won't miss nothing if I do post on there. So that's just period. Boom, pow. Don't forget 1 through 10 in the comments how you think this went. And boom, 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 boom. Have a nice day. Period.